Hey everybody, welcome back to Cooking with Corey. Hey, we got a new collab coming up with the Smoky Bears. Hashtag Crockpot Casserole. I want all you YouTubers out there to join us in that collab. That videos will drop on February 18th. So anybody that's got a great crockpot recipe out there, or casserole recipe, or both, this collab's for you. Everybody, I want you to join. All you YouTubers out there, I want you to join. It's with me and the Smoky Bears. I will link Smoky Bear up here, down there. If I figure it out up here, I'll do it up here. If not, they'll be down there. Anyway, I got a little bone to pick with Smoky Bear. Actually, his two little girls, Pay and Bear Cub. You need to keep a better eye on your dad. I mean, you guys weren't around for one video, and what did he do? He was spilling dill cherry Kool-Aid all over the stove. Hey, you guys can't leave him unsupervised. He just can't handle it. He just doesn't work well that way. So you two girls, Pay, Bear Cub, make sure you're keeping an eye on your dad when he's shooting his vids. Anyway, don't forget, February 18th, hashtag Crockpot Casserole collab. Everybody's invited to join. Let's make it huge. Anyway, next on Cooking with Corey. Today we're going to do a blackened shrimp Alfredo with some broccoli. Stay tuned. Let's get cooking. Cue the new intro. Alright, our ingredients are pretty simple today. Pretty simple cook. We've got some raw shrimp, butter, Blackened seasoning, some fettuccine, some Parmesan cheese, some heavy whipping cream, some broccoli, salt, pepper. Oh, yeah. Back here. A little bit of delicious nutmeg that we'll put on there too. So that's next. I'm cooking with Corey. Blackened shrimp Alfredo with broccoli. Quick and easy. Let's get her done. Hey peeps, we're going to get this thing going. First what we're going to do is we're going to blanch some broccoli. Obviously fresh broccoli. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut our florets off, get them into bite-sized sizes, put them in some salted boiling water just to get them to they got a good bite to them. Then we're going to cool them down in water and we'll finish them off cooking in our pasta sauce. That'll lock in the color, lock in the flavor, and that's what we want. So obviously we got a nice fresh broccoli here. We just want to take the florets off, like so. Don't throw this away. Take the skin off this. It works just fine. It'll be delicious. Anyway, so get these down into manageable bite-sized pieces. Some will always already be that, like this one right here. He's bite-sized. He's ready to go. He can go in there. Some of these other ones we cut in half. Obviously, we're doing one serving, so wrap up your servings. You know, some of these you can just pull apart, like so. So there we go. We're going to do this in salted boiling water. Then we'll cool it down. That'll lock in the color, lock in the flavor. It'll be better in our end product. So, got that out of the way. Let's get our delicious shrimp here. We got some nice shrimp, raw shrimp. Don't use the cooked shrimp. If you do use cooked shrimp, it can't be there very long or it will turn to rubber. So, we got our shrimp. We got some blackened seasoning. And I'm sure there's many people that got many different or your own blackened seasonings. This is the one I use, Paul Perdome's blackened seasoning. So you want to just get that on your shrimp. Shrimp bowl into it. So everything's covered, looking good. I'll tell you what, we're going to blanch some asparagus. We'll get this shrimp halfway seared off, then we're going to pull it, then we'll put some cream in the pan. We're going to show you that a little next. Alright guys, we're there. We got some boiling water. Right, all that needs is some broccoli in it. like so. What we're gonna do is get that little blanch for probably 2 to 3 minutes. Then we're gonna cool it down in a ice water bath, or you know what? If you just got cold water, just cool it down in cold water. It's just gotta stop cooking, and that will lock in that color. That will lock in those flavors. And I'll tell you what, your final dish will thank you for it. Just veggie going. Alright, time to get some shrimp going in here. Our delicious shrimp that we did up with blackened seasoning. Go in there. And we will just saute these up. It's gonna take long. Then we're gonna pull those suckers out. We're gonna add our cream. And we're gonna add some cheese. We're gonna add the pasta. We have a delicious pasta dish. Alright, we're going to take these out. They're about cooked halfway through. In that pan, we're going to add cream. Obviously, I've done one serving, so it's probably going to be around a cup of cream. A little pinch of salt. Fresh cracked pepper. If you got issues with black pepper, you're weird, but go ahead and use white. So we'll bring that down a little bit. We'll introduce our shrimp back into it. We'll introduce some Parmesan into it. We're going to put our pasta into it. And that's going to be our supper. Keep sure you're watching it, because it will boil over on you. Cream likes to boil over on people, so I think we're good here. We got a good amount in there that I don't think is going to go anywhere. I don't think it's going to plop out of the pan, but we'll bring it back. We're closer. Alright guys, our cream's got to the point where we're good to go there. I'm actually going to add just a little bit more, just to thicken it up just a little bit. Not thicken it, but stretch it just a little. Here we go. That looks good. Absolutely. And our shrimps go back in there. And our delicious blanched broccoli is going back in there. Obviously, with that extra added in there, it's got to be reduced just a little bit, really close. And what we're going to do right now is add a little bit of cream to it. Or cream, no, not cream, Parmesan. So there's our parm for our Parmesan right there. Delicious. That stir, get it stirred in. And another tablespoon of butter goes into the mix. Alright. Got our blackened shrimp. We got our blanched broccoli. It's looking good. Now, what we'll do, we will add our pasta in there. Give it a few shakes.
I am going to hit it just with a little bit more cream. Let it reduce down a little bit more. And I'm going to hit it with a little bit more Parmesan cheese. And one thing we need to do here is get some nutmeg in there. So we got our little nutmeg here. Microplane. A decent amount of nutmeg in there. Alright guys, this nutmeg did its job. So let's reduce her down a little bit more. I'm going to reduce that down to get the creaminess I want. We'll plate when we get back. Alright, let's get this thing plated up. That looked delicious. Alright, you want to try to pull most of your pasta out of the middle of your pan. You can either twirl it or you can just let it fall on itself like that. Here you got your broccoli and your shrimp that will obviously fall to the sides. It's looking delicious, but we're going to make it even more delicious. So we're going to add some more Parmesan to it, like so. We're going to take some more of this Blackened seasoning, and we're going to give it dusting around the edge, give it dusting on top, and there you got it, guys. I will see if I can get Jen to do a taste test for you. But there you are. Blackened shrimp with broccoli Alfredo sauce. Simple pan sauce. Obviously make it your own. If you need to make more, you need to up the cream, etc., etc., etc. that you use. There you guys got it. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to Cooking with Corey. And we'll see if we get Jen to taste test or not. I'll see you next time.